Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Pixiv how to search multiple tags. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To search for multiple tags on Pixiv, what you can do is first head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in Pixiv.net. Then once it loads, simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen and then simply scroll down until you find that says My Works. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select a work that you want to add tag to. Then once you scroll down on the tag field, what you need to do is find the works that include both tags, separate them with the space, then this will return results that are tagged with both tag 1 and tag 2. Or to find works that include either tag or use the operator, what you need to do is simply type in the tag that you want, and once you do that, simply select the tag. Then when combining tags, ensure you separate them with spaces, not comma. Then Pixiv tagging system is primarily in Japanese. Searching using Japanese tags may yield more comprehensive results. If you are unfamiliar with Japanese, consider using translation tools or browsing existing tags to find the appropriate terms. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.